Hi friends, we are going to find the Python program in this video. First, we are going to assign the values to start and end variables. In this video, print all even numbers in range. Start comma end equal to 4 comma 19. We are going to assign for loop to loop the values. For num in range, open bracket start comma n plus 1 close bracket colon. If num modulo 2 double equal to 0 colon. Print open bracket num comma n equal to double quotation close bracket. To enter the input in this value 4 comma 19 to automatically output is displayed. Thank you friends.